That's a directional mic, so you got to get into it. Okay? Okay, we're getting there. You ready?
We all know the story of the Princess and Ice and how poor sweet Elsa had to learn to be nice. But what if instead it wasn't Elsa, not that. What if instead it was Anna and her sister, Grumpy Cat? Do you want to build a snowman?
No.
Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. I wish you could tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman?
Why are you still here?
Do you want to build a snowman or ride our bike around the hall? I think some company is overdue. I'm starting talking to the pictures on the wall. Hang in there, Joan. It gets a little lonely, all these empty rooms. Somebody tell me why you don't want to build a snowman. I'm getting a dog.
Bye, Felicia.